DIYers, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking shattered glass today. And in the event that you have a double pane glass, whether it's in a bedroom, in your kitchen, in the bathroom, in our case, it's in the bedroom, we are going to show you how to fix that. Now, we didn't actually fix it. We hired the professionals, but it will be personal preference. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, here we are at the window, and this is the window that unfortunately experienced the breakage. And it was the bottom one. You can see it is fixed. And DIYers, I do my absolute best to make every project a DIY project. However, I know my limits and I respect my limits. And a project like this is best left to those that do it on a daily basis and are licensed to do it. And let's take a closer look. The window itself, again, double pane. And you'll notice inside here, it's kind of an indent. And you've got the inside pane and you've got the exterior or outside pane. Again, double pane windows or glass design, and nothing fancy, just a very standard window. There's the locks, as you can see here, and I'll put this in use. I'll actually pull this window back to show you. However, take a look at this. Here is the brand new insert that they installed after removing the broken piece of glass. Now, the inside or interior panel or glass was broken, but the outside panel was not broken. In DIYers, it's really one piece. So what they did was showed up to the house, came up to the room, took some quick measurements, and then they called in that size of insert to be made for us, and it showed up 2 weeks later. As you see, again, there is that little internal frame that houses both the interior and exterior glass panes or panels. What I'll do now is unlock this. I do want to show you, and by doing that, push this in and it unlocks that rear tab back there. You'll do that on both sides, and I will pull this entire window inward inside the room to show you the back side and how they actually remove the old panes or windows and install that brand new insert. Next, what I did was grab some nugget cushions, and you will see why here shortly. I'm going to shift the window up and pull it inward inside the room and rest it carefully on the nugget cushions. With the camera repositioned, you do have the option to remove your blinds either from the mount above, or you can just shift the blinds to the most outward position as shown here. And again, I've got the nugget cushions in place for the window frame to rest onto. Step number one, we've already done. Unlock your window latches. In our case, we have two. And the next step is extremely important. We recommend pulling the window up at least 6 to 8 inches from the bottom portion it rests into inside the frame. And the reason being is because in the event that you just unlock your window frame and shift these little tabs inward and try to pull the window frame out, you are going to break or damage the bottom portion of your frame or mount. So again, bring the window frame up about 6 to 8 inches. And again, you've got these tabs. Shift them carefully to the inner portion of the frame and carefully lower the window frame. Now, the weight of the window frame itself will be enough for it to lower in a convenient and friendly manner. And if you got good windows, the inner portion shouldn't slide or fall easily. And it is the inside or backside or exterior portion of this frame that holds the key on how to remove the old panel and install a brand new one. The interior portion of the frame is designed to give you a better presentation. In other words, the inside frame looks like it's just one piece, again, for presentation purposes, just for it to look better and cleaner. However, the backside or outside / exterior portion of the frame is where you can remove the internal double pane window and install a brand new one like the repair team did when they arrived with the brand new insert. Again, double pane. And with that said, on the interior portion here, you've got one crossbar here, one crossbar on the side, one crossbar on the bottom, and a fourth crossbar on the left-hand side. 4 securing slides. And I'll go grab a tool real quick. What the team did was they arrived with a tool like this, and they carefully, without scraping, gouging, or damaging any portion of the slide or frame, they started to peel back the exterior slides. And once you do that, you can remove all 4 of those, giving you full access to carefully pull the entire panel and original frame out of the mount. I'll show you a closer view right now. And again, DIYers, here is the configuration right now. And you definitely want something soft and stationary for your window mount and frame to rest onto. Again, coming to the exterior portion, and here are those little slides that I was just talking about. Again, you can find an access portion right here, stick that tool in it, and carefully peel it up and remove it. And again, 4 slides total. You'll just slowly begin removing those. And when you remove all 4, as you see, all 4 of these little securing slides will be removed, and you can then carefully pull up and fully remove the glass that's presently inside there and the original frame. And coming to another close-up view of the brand new frame, and it came in one piece. Again, the team showed up, made some very detailed and quick measurements, called it into the shop, and over the next week and a half, they made the brand new insert to proper size, and then they came out and installed it. So DIYers, I did want to show you that. In the event that you have either an exterior pane or interior pane of a double pane window broke or break, don't stress out about it. It's a very friendly fix. However, again, we chose to respect our limits and allow the professionals to do it. There was a lot of broken glass on the floor. So I think total cost was $229 out the door. Incredible price for, again, a brand new double pane or glass insert. And after the brand new frame is put in and installed, it is then secured in place by, again, all 4 of these securing slides all the way around. And if I remember correctly, I don't think they used any adhesive or caulk. It just goes in there and is pressed and locked in place with those slides. What I'll do is carefully shift the window frame back up and secure it. And DIYers, as I shift this entire window frame back up inside the wall-mounted insert, be mindful and careful. If you still have your blinds hanging from the up above mount, just shift them aside. Do not pinch them inside the window. And once you get the window frame to this point, you can just carefully push it in, and each of these above outward shiftable locks will spring load to the locked position, and you'll hear them both as I shift this frame inside the insert. Just like that. Double check everything looks good, and I'm going to carefully lower the window all the way down and lock it back in place. To a different camera angle, taking a step back, and I'm double checking everything. Again, the blinds are not pinched inside the window frame as I secured it. The window is fully closed and locked. And again, there's that little insert as you see. And what I want to do is go to a different room and show you the exact same window setup and frame setup that does not have that insert in it. And to the next room, as you can see, exact same setup, window style and everything. And this is the original window way back when the home was built. And as you can see, no insert inside. Again, double pane window design. So I wanted to show you that. Again, basically just a hollow or different style double pane insert. And the 4 removable slides are on the backside or exterior outside portion of that frame to allow you to remove that inner glass pane and install a brand new one in the unfortunate event that they break. And here we are back in the original room where the glass was replaced. And again, that little insert, I just want to give you a close-up view one last time. As you see right there. And it goes the entire way around the internal portion, as you can see. So again, in the event that either your exterior portion or interior portion of your double pane window or glass break, don't stress out about it. Call in the professional glass team and they'll take measurements and get that new part ordered, and hopefully within a friendly and quick time frame, they can get back out here with the new insert and install it like nothing ever happened. DIYers, that's it. Hopefully the video helped. Hey, do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.